super active and invaluable participation during the search for Barangay Ilayang Sea Contest 2025 as part of the Feast Day of Our Lady of Lourdes 2025. Given this 11th day of February 2025 at Nueva Equation Center, Pleasantville Subdivision, Barangay Ilayang, Lucena City. Signed by our SK Chairperson, Erika May Ibarola and Kapitan Romy Comia. And this certificate of participation is hereby given to Twinkle Cascuete. Palakpakan naman po natin. Twinkle Cascuete. Ayan, dito ka muna sa unahan. Ayan, dito muna kayo sa unahan. And of course, other than the certificate, they will receive a cash prize. Of course, other than the first, second, and third, meron din po tayong consolation para po sa hindi makakapasok sa ating top 3. And now, also the certificate of participation is hereby given to Paulo Bonilla. The participation is hereby given to Fibo Marcelo. Bilis na mag-change outfit agad siya. And our last contender, the certificate of participation is hereby given to Leon Maurice Halia. Once again, sa ating pumuling Kapitan Romy Comia and SK Erika May Ibarola. Ayan, handa na po ba ang results para sa ating teens category? Ayan, at diretso na rin natin i-award ang ating winners. Category. Handa na ba kayo? Pwede mo makarinig ng palakpakan? Alright, maraming salamat. And now, for our third placer, coordinating 89.6%. And he or she is none other than contestant number for our third placer number ay tulog na. For our third placer contestant number 4, Fibo Marcelo. Of participation, people will receive medal, certificate, a trophy, and cash prize. For courtesy of our Sangguniang Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan. Once again, congratulations to our third placer, contestant number 4, Fibo Marcelo. Alright, and for our second placer, garnering a total of 93%. And it is our contestant number certificate of appreciation and, of course, cash prize. And now for our first placer, or our Singing Contest 2025 Teens Category Champion is none other than contestant number. Contestant number is none other than contestant number 5, Grace Halia. 94%. Ayan, isang percent lang ang tinaman sa ating second placer. And of course, ayan, syempre sa ating kay Twinkle Casquete, makakatanggap po tayo ng consolation prize. Once again, maraming salamat sa ating apat na kalahok sa ating teens category ngayong gabi. Once again, our third placer, Fibo Marcelo. Our second placer, Paulo Bonilla. And of course, our overall champion, Leah Reese Halia. Yan, sa ating pong teens category. At ngayon naman, ang inaanyayahan natin dito sa unahan. Ayan, so po, konting photo ops po kasama ng ating tatlong jurado. Dito po sa unahan, inaanyayahan. Dito po muna tayo sa unahan. Ayan, konting photo ops po kasama ang ating tatlong jurado. Ayan, pa syempre para sa ating mga nagwagi from our teens category. And of course, once again, maraming salamat sa ating sponsors ngayong gabi. Governor Dr. Helen Tan, Vice Governor Ford Alcala, Mukha Dr. Kim Tan, Mayor Kuya Mort Alcala, Vice Mayor Rodrigo Don Alcala, Konsihal Engineer Christian Ona, at Konsihal Patrick Nadera. Alright, once again, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating teens category. Yan, maraming salamat and once again, congratulations po sa ating po mga nagwagi. At ngayon naman, inangiyahan natin